Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize margin trading limits on Webull, detailed guide step by step clearly.
To authorize margin trading limits on Webull, start by launching the Webull app or website.
Log into your account using your username and password.
Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard.
Locate and click on the profile icon usually found at the bottom right corner of the app or top right on the website. In the Profiles section, find Margin Trading under the Settings menu.
Click on Margin Trading to access the margin account settings.
You will be prompted to review the margin trading agreement and the associated risks.
Carefully read the terms and conditions before confirming your understanding. After reviewing, click on the Agree button to proceed. Next, you may need to complete a brief questionnaire to assess your trading experience. Provide accurate information regarding your investment knowledge and trading experience. Submit the questionnaire to move to the next step. Now, you may be asked to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to upload identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport. Once your identity is verified, return to the margin trading settings. Here, you will see options to set your margin limits. Select the appropriate margin limits based on your trading strategy and risk tolerance. Confirm your selections by clicking Submit. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation message on the screen. Your margin account will now be activated, and you can start trading with margin. Monitor your margin usage regularly to ensure compliance with your chosen limits. If needed, you can adjust your margin limits by returning to the same settings. Always stay informed about the risks associated with margin trading. By following these steps, you are now ready to utilize margin trading on Webull. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.